Hello everyone, welcome back and happy new year to all of you. So today is the first day of 2026 and I am making a video on filter function. This is a very important function in Excel. So let's learn. So first we will learn filter function, how we use filter function, and cherry on a cake is we can also use multiple multiple filter function. So we will learn how to use the multiple filter function in a single formula. So you can see in sheet 1, this is a data from A to F, country column, product column, sales price, sales, cost of goods sold and date, right? So we have to understand what filter function does. Basically filter function works. In filter function you have to give a requirement, right? Let's suppose if I say this is a country and if I check there are n number of country, right? Canada, France, Germany, Mexico, United States of America. So while applying the filter function, if I give criteria Canada, so entire information from this table for Canada country will be reflected here, right? So this way filter function works. So let's do it practical. So first I have copied this column header here. Now I will go here in J2 cell and apply the filter function. Open the bracket. It will ask array. Array is your data range. So I will select this range from second row till end row of this table. Then I will lock the range. Now I will put comma here. It will ask the include. Include means whatever the requirement or criteria you are going to include. So here I am including this country column. So I will include this entire country column here, means select this entire A column, right? And lock the range as well. Now I will put equal to here and give criteria like Canada as a country. So whenever the country is Canada or wherever the country is Canada, the entire array information or entire row level information will be extracted or reflected here, right? So then I will close the bracket. You can see here, and if you type or if you put filter here, you can see all the Canada country information is appearing here, right? So this way you can apply the filter function. If you want to change this, so let's suppose if I change Canada to France, I can have all the information over here, right? Now I don't want to use this as a static, means I have put the France value here, then only France is appearing here. If I had put Canada, then only Canada information is here. I want a dynamic, right? Dynamic information. Whenever I want to choose Canada, France, Germany, whatsoever, the information must be changed here. So what I will do, I will first remove this and I will have all the country information listed here. So I will go to data and I will go to the data validation and click on the list, and here source I will select the entire country value here. Now you can see this is all the countries outlined here. Now I will again type the filter function. I will select this entire array again, lock this, now put comma, then include. I will again go to the country column and select this, lock it. Now okay, just go and select once again and press F4. Now equal to, now don't write any name like Canada, right? Instead just select the I1 column wherein you have outline the country name as in list, right? And then hit enter. Now you have this information available here. Now choose any country from this drop down list. Any country from this drop down list like Mexico, United States, right? So in this way your data is working. So you can see date is is in general format. So just select this date column, go to home page or home tab and click on the short date. Now your date is also in the same format. Okay. N- Now we want to use multiple criteria. Means if we want to filter wherever the country is Canada, or maybe the product is Cartera, Montana, Peso, and so on, and any date, right? So we want to use filter function with multiple or more than one criteria. Then what we do? First, go here against the product value in I2 cell. Then again go to data, click on the data validation, click here, list. Now source, click the select all the product. Okay. Now same, go to the date and go to the data validation and list source, and now select the entire date range here. Okay. Now you have all the information here, right? Like this. Now do one thing, apply the filter function, right? And select this entire range, means array, comma, select this country column, press F4, then equal to what? I1. Okay. And if you click enter, you got the answer like this. Now what you have to do as an add-on, just select this include range. Okay. And put bracket here and close the bracket here. Now press multiply sign, then paste the same value and put bracket here and put bracket here. Now only one thing you have to change, the range here. A1, A column means country. Now you have to choose the product. So just change A to B here. Okay. And I1 to I2 means this. So if you hit enter, now this is the information. So once you select any of the product, you got the answer, right? You change this country, you change the product. So you have filter functions with more than two criteria, and based on two criteria your values are being extracted. Wherever the country is Mexico and product is Velo, it is giving you all the informations, right? Now you have want to check with date criteria as well. So what you do, just click here where the filter function is applied. Now select this include value again, copy, and then press multiply function again, press Control V to paste, close the bracket once again and choose or change column B to F. Why? Because the date is in F column, right? F column. Okay. And then choose I2 to I3 because I date is listed in I3, right? Click here. Now select the date. So if any date is available with all other two criteria, and if date is also matching, then it will give you the answer. Means Mexico, Velo, and this date. If all three values are matching in your data set, then only it will give you answer from this entire data set, right? So if I change to Canada and if I change any date, right, so it will give okay. So if I change to Cartero and I will select 5124, so it will give you the answer. Okay, so this is how we can use filter function with one criteria or more than two criterias. The only change is to do for include, like include syntax is here. So in include syntax you have choose first country, then you just copied this entire value from here, then put your multiply sign, then paste this and change A to B column because you have second criteria is product, so you have changed B column. Then again you have copied this include syntax with this range, then put multiply function and then put here or pasted here, and then change B to F because date is in F column, and equal to sign, after equal to sign you have choose this range, this cells value wherein you have outlined your data validation. Okay, so I hope you understand this. If you like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.